Hi, this is Jim LaValle, and I'm really excited about participating in Module 1 at the A4M Spring Conference. I'm going to be doing two talks. The first one is about peptides in SARMS and their role or not in helping with hormone regulation. I think that peptides offer a lot of promising opportunities for practitioners to get involved with, to be another tool in their toolkit. And then at the same time, I think there's some controversy over SARMS so that you can become educated as to whether or not they really are going to be beneficial for individuals who are seeking hormone optimization. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.